Explain clearly what the black box problem is. The lack of transparency in how AI models learn, process data, and make predictions. Describe how even the developers of these models often cannot fully explain why an AI made a specific decision. Break down the complexity in simple language so viewers can understand how deep learning layers, neural networks, and massive datasets create hidden decision pathways that humans can't easily trace. Transition into algorithmic bias explaining how AI systems learn from human-created data, and therefore inherit human biases, social inequalities, and historical patterns. Give vivid examples of real-world AI bias such as biased hiring tools, unfair facial recognition errors, skewed search recommendations, or discriminatory credit scoring. Show how these biases occur not because AI is intentionally harmful, but because it mirrors the imperfections of the data it was trained on. Explore why algorithmic bias is dangerous. It can influence decisions about jobs, safety, justice, healthcare, opportunities, and public perception. Explain how bias spreads silently through the black box, making it hard to detect and even harder to fix. Add a section on how creators, developers, and policymakers are trying to open the black box through tools like explainable AI, XAI, auditing models, bias detection techniques, transparency rules, and ethical AI frameworks. Include a segment on the challenges: AI complexity, lack of regulation, hidden training data, corporate secrecy, rapid AI evolution, and difficulty balancing accuracy with fairness. Then shift into the future, describing how upcoming AI systems may become more transparent, more auditable, and more aligned with human values, but only if society demands responsibility. End with a powerful message urging viewers to understand that AI is not magic. It is a mirror of the data and choices humans feed into it. Encourage them to question AI systems, demand transparency, and stay informed about algorithmic fairness. Begin with a mysterious, cinematic introduction showing how AI influences billions of decisions every day: what we watch, what we buy, where we travel, who gets hired, and even who gets flagged as a security risk. Highlight how these decisions feel accurate and intelligent, yet the logic behind them remains invisible to the public. Explain to the audience what the AI black box truly means: a complex system where algorithms make predictions using layers of mathematical patterns that even experts struggle to interpret. Break down how neural networks learn from enormous datasets, forming connections and patterns that operate beyond human intuition. Keep the explanation simple yet insightful so viewers can grasp why AI's inner workings are often hidden. Transition into the core topic of algorithmic bias showing how AI systems become biased when they are trained on incomplete, unbalanced, or historically skewed data. Use real-world, eye-opening examples: biased facial recognition that misidentifies darker skin tones, hiring algorithms that favor certain genders, predictive policing tools that over-target specific communities, or content recommendation systems that reinforce stereotypes. Analyze how these biases can spread silently through the black box, producing unfair or discriminatory outcomes without anyone realizing it. Describe how creators, tech companies, and governments are now investigating these issues, trying to understand and expose the hidden patterns inside AI systems. Introduce the concept of algorithmic audits, explainable AI, ethical datasets, and transparency frameworks designed to reduce bias. Add a deeper layer by exploring why solving AI bias is so hard: rapid model growth, lack of regulation, corporate secrecy, complex training data, and the technical difficulty of interpreting deep learning models. Discuss how AI companies face ethical dilemmas, balancing performance with fairness, accuracy with transparency, and innovation with accountability. Move into a forward-looking section imagining how the future might evolve. More explainable AI systems, public transparency tools, independent auditing agencies, global AI ethics laws, and creators building responsible AI content. Paint a clear picture of how the next decade will decide whether AI becomes a fair assistant or a dangerously biased decision-maker. End the script with a strong, thought-provoking conclusion reminding viewers that AI is not neutral, it reflects the world we give it. Encourage them to become informed digital citizens who question AI decisions, demand transparency, and support ethical AI development.